So tonight we're looking at a very cool torch, the Vastfire VAF02. It is a multi-purpose LED light that Vastfire were nice enough to send out to me, and for me to do a review on. You'll see later in this video I do some tests outside. You can see the beams shoot through the sky and all those kinds of things. On the bench here we'll just do a quick kind of overview of how to use it, what it has, and yeah, just kind of its features. See, they sent me one previously and that was really cool, but this one's cooler in the respect it has a magnetic base. So even on the edge it still holds itself up, and even better than the last one, also it is USB Type-C charge. Not only does it charge just like the other one, it can be used to charge a phone in an emergency. I haven't tested the output yet, but if they say it only puts out 1 amp, I believe it to be true. So, like the other Vastfire model I have, it is focusable. So when you turn it on, you get a beautiful bright round beam, which you can then focus out really tight, and it actually almost ends up as a perfect circle. So the reflectors are a little bit more refined in this one. You still see a bit of a square shape where you can see the chipsets, but you get a much more pointed thing, and that's even more pronounced when you see the video from outside. You get strobe mode. Strobe mode's crazy. You also got work light on the side, high and low. As you can see, there's, you might not be able to see it on the screen, there's 6 LEDs in there, and there's 4 red LEDs. Red mode's great if you just want to look in a toolbox and you don't want to spread a great deal of light, whether you're out shooting or just tracking animals, things like that, or you just don't want to draw a great deal of attention to yourself. The red light's really good to go for a wander with. If you're out in the bush or whatever, you'll see a lot more animals and a lot less things will see you. Red flashing's obviously awesome for if you're broke down on the side of the road or something along those lines. You can really gain some attention. So cool wrist little lanyard thing. It's got a loop there so you can loop anything you really want in there. Quick release, quick tighten, ball thing on the end of it. It's all quite nice quality. As you can see, it's quite dirty. I have been out using this. I used it at the beach when I went away a week ago, and I've used it all over the place, under houses, for work. This has been my go-to for the last couple of weeks. Vastfire have been asking me when my video will be ready, and I've been quite busy using this torch to try and give the best opinion I can. Battery monitor here. Something that a lot of people will be interested in is the battery, so I'll go ahead and get that out and show you. Oh, I might be able to do it one-handed. Let's see. No. Okay, so the back, we have a nice big spring, nice and heavy duty, solid. There is an O-ring seal down here. If you want this to remain waterproof, keep an eye on your O-ring. They don't last forever. As you can see, it's pretty sealed in there as well. Nice solid piece of aluminium, good feeling in the hand, like it feels quite like a tactical kind of torch. Then we have an INR 2700 4500 milliamp 3.7 volt battery, lithium ion obviously. I have not verified the milliamp hour capacity of this, but this torch goes for hours and hours. It also comes with a adapter, and these are heavy, so got another 21700 here. This is a damaged INR 21700 30T Samsung, and yeah, they're certainly comparable. Yeah, the purple one's probably even a little bit heavier, so that's a positive to their rating. Beauty of 21700s is you can 3D print a little sleeve that goes on the outside of them, and then you can use 18650s in this torch. It also came with a 3-way to single cell conversion, so you can run 3 AAA batteries. It's not something you'd probably do. In my recommendation, it's a high-powered torch. AAA batteries are going to get roasted, and then you also can't charge or discharge it. You can charge it, but yeah, not ideal. So the perks of this one is the magnetic base. It's great. Yeah, it's also very much refined in its focus. I imagine there is some kind of reason for the nose of it. I haven't had that great of a look. They basically told me to pick a torch from Amazon, and this is where you'll get a link to buy this. I don't get anything for the purchase of this. I just got a torch for free. Just to share the news with you guys and kind of show you what it is. I don't get any kickbacks from this kind of stuff. If you want something that can give me a kickback for something you're going to buy anyway, hit me up and I can give you links for eBay and Banggood. But yeah, this is the Vastfire VA FO2 torch, and nice rubbery button there. I've probably pressed the button 1,000 times already and shown workmates, friends. Yeah, went for a nice long walk on the beach the other night with it, and yeah, its run time is in the many hours. Can't give you an exact. You generally don't need it on high all the time when you're even outside in the bush or wherever. You generally turn it on, turn it off. So you'll see a clip of me showing you what it's like outside, to give you a bit of an idea of beam length and stuff like that. That's a hard thing to compare on camera, but yeah, you can. When I say it's bright, it's certainly bright. You don't want to look at it, and it shoots a good beam length. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks Vastfire for sending it out to have a play with. They sent me a head torch and another version of this. Must have been a year and a half ago. Both those products I still have. Both those products I still use. The torch has the original 26-650 in it that it came with. Oh, 32. It might even be a 32-650. It's a really serious battery, about the same diameter as that. And yeah, the charge ports all still work. I use the head torch often and for hours at a time. So yeah, they're quality equipment at not an insane price, which is great. I recommend giving them a try. If you want something that's high end but not $350, go for it. I think this was about $90. And yeah, don't buy anything probably under $60 anyway. So yeah, $90 is giving you a torch that's got some actual grunt. Thanks for watching. Catch us on the next video. Cheers. Alright then, let's have a look at how bright this Vastfire torch is. So that's on high with full open. It also goes to a spot, which is amazing. The spot's quite bright. We can then go low. We go flashing, which is obviously crazy. But yeah, at high, you get like quite a beam length shining. It was pretty dark over there. It's the big yellow truck. Yeah. The other thing you've got is a cool work light. So when you've got your magnetic base, you can magnet to a vehicle or whatever. So you need to work on something. There's the button. And you've got high and low, red, which is great, and red flashing.